Let me clear up a couple things on null space. We covered this pretty thoroughly, but the whole thing means that your equation AX equals B. The B is zero. So here on the right side is the vector of all zeros. So when we set up our little scalar equations, it's always a zero on the right. I don't know if that was super clear when I did this example. From here, this is like the A part after the Gauss-Jordan elimination. You can picture, multiplying by x, and that has to equal zero here. That's where these guys come from. What this top row, for example, means is that x1 minus x3 minus x4 minus 2x4 equals zero. This says x2 plus 2x3 plus 3x4 also equals zero. From those scalar equations, you can rewrite them this way so that your pivot variables are expressed in terms of non-pivot variables. I don't know if that was clear when I went through it. Is a square matrix invertible? Actually, this doesn't answer that. It kind of answers the reverse question. Here's our null space thing, AX equals zero. If A is invertible, then it has an inverse. I can multiply both sides by that inverse, right? This is on the right, it's still going to be a zero. On the left, A inverse A is the identity, which just means X equals zero. And the inverse is unique. So this is the only solution. So if A is invertible, X equals zero, or the trivial solution, is the only solution. And its null space is empty. It's the single point zero. The dimension of its null space is zero. I can't say its null space is zero, but its dimension is zero. So that by that rank nullity theorem, it is rank n. A is rank n. Its dimension of its null space is zero, so it's full rank. So if A is invertible, then it is full rank, meaning its rank equals n. And all its rows and columns are linearly independent. So this was just a one-way inference. We didn't actually answer, is a square matrix invertible? We said if it is, then we have some facts we deduce from it. We will later go the other way. But we will save that for later. And we'll save this final space for the next video. Oops, ended.